So welcome back. We're here at another listing, 1151 Hunters Ridge out in West El Paso, 79912 zip code. It's very sought after. So just want to show you this lovely home. The outside is just spectacular, great curb appeal. Something that this house is going is at a quarter lot, so it's a little bigger than a normal lot. And it's in a cul-de-sac, so you get best of both worlds. A lot of people ask for cul-de-sac lots, and a lot of people ask for corner lots. So this one has both of those things that it has features. So like you notice the outside, I mean, very green, lots of, the landscape is just meticulous, very nice. As you walk into this house, I really like that little courtyard. There's a lot of vegetation as well. But you walk in, the home greets you into a family room, living area, where you have the flooring's been updated. You have the fall wood flooring, which is very popular right now. Out in the kitchen, you see that behind me here, but you have, it's been kind of semi-updated. You have the stainless steel appliances, the granite countertops. A lot of people ask me if this has bedrooms downstairs, and it does have bedrooms downstairs. You have 2 bedrooms and a bath downstairs, full bath downstairs. You have the dining room, little breakfast area, and inside laundry room. So those are things that people ask for a lot. Upstairs, this home has a huge loft, game room, whatever you want it to be, it could be. It's got tons of space, looks out back to the west side of town, but it's a great space, and it opens up. There's a door out there in the back. It opens up into a balcony where you could sit there, look at sunsets. The southwest sunsets are just amazing, and that patio area is perfect for that. Then you have the master bedroom, huge room. If you look at the master bedroom, one of my favorite features there is going to be the balcony as well in the front. So there's one in the front and the back, but out here in the front you get to see the beautiful Franklin Mountains. You got amazing, like when the clouds are on there, when it rains, or just when the sun's coming out, it looks gorgeous. So you have that in the front and the view in the back. So most homes in the West El Paso have either mountain views or valley views. That's what they're called here in town. This home has both valley views and mountain views, so you get the best of both worlds. Again, the balcony with those French doors, it just looks amazing. Imagine waking up in the morning, see, that's your wake-up call there, the sun creeping through those French doors. That would be great. The master bath has that double sink, tons of counter space. That's very important to most people. The counter space in the master bathroom, so it's there. Upstairs there's a half bath, and then another bedroom up there. It's not as big as the other one, so it's perfect for like a nursery or even a home office. You have that seclusion, and it also connects out to the balcony from here. Right, so out back, I want to show you the outside and the back. It's very green. I love plants, I love grass, so it's super green. You have trees to give you privacy. You have vegetation. This house comes with pomegranate trees. They're very nice, super expensive if you go to the store. And you have fig trees. So homegrown, they grow in your backyard. They have other vegetation that you can eat. Little sitting area if you're hanging out in the backyard, freshening up in the evening, that's a good spot to be. And tons of space for your pets, your kids to run around. There's a gigantic dog run with covered patio also on the side of the house. So this house has tons of features, tons of things, a great location. I don't know what else to tell you, but there is another thing that is a bonus you can't really see in the photos, you can't see in this video. It's up in the roof. So this home comes with solar panels. So the solar panels have become very popular, especially with fuel prices going up, electric bills going up. So you got the solar panels that are being included with the house. So that would definitely help with your electric bill. And the owner tells me he pays pretty much nothing for the electricity. Everybody's a little different, so your bill might change, but that's a big plus. That's an upgrade that this home already has. There's nothing else that needs to be done. So hope you like this property here. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know that your favorite feature of the house in the comments. Tell me what it is, and I hope to see you in the next property tour.